Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Alright, okay, so I am Mr. Muhammad Lufi bin Muhammad Tarmizi from SMK Bagan Serai. Okay, so today I will be presenting about review writing, okay, tackling the task, okay, all together with the sample answers and questions. Alright, so this is the series 3 of our school's PDPR short video. Okay, so I will be conducting series 3 and also series 4. So you will be seeing me again on the next series. Alright, so first thing first, let me introduce to you my team members. Alright, hello students. Let's get to know our team. Okay, so the first member of our school is Miss Tunisha Nandini. Okay, the second is Miss Nurliana, Miss Anamal Sharon, and finally me myself, okay, Mr. Muhammad Lufi. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at the learning standards. Okay, 4.2.3, produce an extended plan or draft and modify this appropriately in response to feedback or independently. Right. 4.2.4, okay, we use formal and informal register appropriate to the target audience in most familiar situation. Okay. After that, let's take a look at the success criteria. What should you gain after this lesson? Okay, so firstly, by the end of the lesson, students can identify keywords in situation given. That's the first. The second one is use appropriate register and style for review writing. And finally is you can organize, sequence, and also develop ideas. Alright students, okay. So as Miss Sharon has stated previously, there are 3 steps, okay, in how to tackle a review writing. So follows these 3 steps provided over here. So step number 1 is to analyze the question. And then we move on to the step 2, which is when you're planning your response. And finally step 3, where you write your review. Okay, so let's take a look at the sample question that we have provided over here. We have a handphone review, okay, handphone review question. Okay, the question sounds like this. Have you checked out any new handphone recently? Write a review and stand a chance to win a new handphone. Your review should include information about the phone and what impresses you the most and what could be better. Let's move on to the first step, okay, which is where we analyze the question. Okay, so let's take a look at the question. Have you checked out any new handphone recently? You notice that there is a question mark over there. So this is basically part of the question, a question that you must answer in order to gain marks. Okay, write a review. Okay, so here it is appointing you the task to write a review and stand a chance to win a new handphone. This is only the predicate, nothing to do with the question. Okay, your review should include, okay, pay attention on this, information about the phone and what impresses you the most as being underlined, okay, and what could be better. Alright, okay, as you can see over here, there are 4 underlined materials over here, okay, in the question. So there are basically 4 questions that you need to answer. Okay, so the first thing that I have mentioned earlier, have you checked out any new handphone recently? Okay, and then the second underlined phrases would be the information about the phone. Okay, that's the second requirement. And the third one is what impresses you the most. Okay, this will be the third requirement. And finally, the fourth requirement would be what could be better. All of these 4 questions should be answered in order for you to gain marks for content. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's go to our next step, okay, which is step 2, where you plan your answer. Okay, so the introduction to this part, okay, there will be 4 paragraphs, okay, in a review writing. So first is the introductory paragraph, where you write your introduction, and then the first paragraph, okay, then the first paragraph, where you put your first topic sentence, okay, and then the third paragraph, okay, which is the second topic sentence, and finally will be the conclusion paragraph, okay, where you conclude your review. Okay, let's take a look at the introduction part. Okay, so we have analyzed the question earlier. Okay, so when we move on to step 2, okay, we already analyzed the question. So here we will put on the requirement needed, okay, for the current paragraph lah, okay, and in this case the introductory paragraph. Okay, so what should you do in the introduction? You need to tell what new handphone you have checked out, okay, and give some general information about the phone, such as the operating system, okay, iOS, Android, so on, okay, model, okay, Samsung, whatsoever, okay, interesting features such as the cameras, the RAM, something like that, and price. Okay, so this will cover requirement 1 and 2 in order for you to get marks. All right, let's take a look at the main part, okay, which is the part with contents. Okay, main part. There will be two paragraphs, as I mentioned earlier, the first paragraph and the second paragraph. The introductory paragraph is not called as the first paragraph. It is called as the introductory paragraph. Okay, so in the first paragraph, okay, you should explain the interesting feature and provide the details. Okay, so this will fulfill the requirement number 3. Okay, as in the question, he's saying about the what interesting features, what impresses you the most. So you must include the feature that makes you attracted to the phone lah. Okay, all right, so then we move on to the next paragraph, which is paragraph number 2. Okay, explain which feature that can be improved. Okay, everything cannot be perfect. Okay, there will be some flaws. Okay, so which flaws would you like the company of the phone to improve? Okay, maybe the cameras, okay, maybe the video quality, or maybe the RAM, something like that, which will then fulfill requirement number 4. Right? Okay, so let's go to the final paragraph of review writing, which is the conclusion paragraph. Okay, in conclusion paragraph, we must state our general opinion whether whether this phone is good or not, okay, whether we like it or not, okay, about the handphone, and whether you recommend it or not, okay, for other people to use. All right, okay, when we are doing a review, okay, we will recommend to the people or not recommend to other people. All right, so that will be the conclusion paragraph which finalize your review writing. Okay, so let's take a look at a suggested answer, okay, which is in this slide. All right, so step 3, okay, we have gone to step 1 and 2, okay, where we analyze the question and then we plan our writing, and then this will be the final part lah, okay, where you write your review. Okay, so this is step 3. We have provided, okay, a sample answer on how to write a review writing. So take a moment, okay, take your time to read the whole provided answers lah. Okay, so for teachers, you may pause the video for a while to give your students some time, okay, to read the sample answers, and you may play it back when they are ready. This notes, okay, the end of series 3. Okay, I'll be seeing you again in the next series, which is series 4. Okay, see you later.